let's try to find out what apps might already be on here. To do that, you can scroll from the bottom of the screen, and you'll see the apps that are there. You may sort those in any different ways. By name is usually the most convenient. So we're going to look on this one, and we do not see the Overdrive Media Console on here, or the Overdrive app. So that's the first thing we're going to want to do to help get Overdrive content, is find that app. Once again, we'll touch here, and you can find the App Store several different ways. One is to click right here. Once again, at the bottom left, you'll see an app. Or if from the app screen itself, there's a store app. In this case, we're going to go here. At this point, we're going to go on ahead and search this for Overdrive. You're going to find a match very quickly. We touch that. We'll see a screen that says Install. And it's going to begin working on that. And you see a message, Overdrive audiobooks and ebooks was installed. So at this point, we're ready to use it. We'll touch this screen, we'll scroll up from the bottom, and you should see Overdrive in the list of apps. So we're going to touch it. And we have to sign up for an account. That's an email and a password. If your customer does not yet have one, it'll say sign up, and you can look there. If your customer already has an account, you can sign in. And we do have an account, so we're going to sign in at this point. To sign in, just touch the box where you need to enter your information and type in your account information and your password. Okay. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted. Often you're going to have to authorize the device. It will send you an email, and you log into your email. You'll see an email from Overdrive, and there'll be instructions there on how to finish the authorization. Basically, it's just a matter of clicking on a link, and it's going to authorize your device. Once you're there, you're going to start by adding a library. Touch right here. You can put in a city name or a zip code. Any CML zip code will work for this, so put in the closest branch to you and click search. Once you do, you're going to find a link that says digital downloads, and you'll touch that, and it's going to save it for the future, so that the next time you log in, it's going to look like right here where it says digital downloads. And so we're just going to touch that, and it's going to open to the CLC ebook website. The first thing, as always, is to sign in. That's at the upper right here. You'll select your library, Columbus Metropolitan. Put in your library card number. Make sure that you've clicked where it says remember login information on the device, and it will remember your login from then on. I'm going to take that off so this public device doesn't remember my particular library card. The reason for logging in first is that it gives you access to titles that you wouldn't ordinarily see. And that's a publisher restriction, not something CML is doing. All right, at this point we're ready to start getting some content, and from here on it will look familiar to anybody who's used Overdrive on just about any device. We're going to use an advanced search in this case. The reason for that is it lets you choose the format that you can sort of have for the device. In this case, this device is going to use Adobe EPUB. It will do the Overdrive read, which is reading in a browser. And that's a really convenient way to do it, and we encourage customers to learn that, but many more are comfortable with the look of the EPUB ebook. It will also do Overdrive MP3 audiobooks. So we're going to look at, in this case, all format. We'll choose that first. We're going to choose the EPUB ebook. At the bottom you have three choices. All titles will search all the titles we own, and at the point I'm talking now that's about 76,000, but I'm sure that's going to be more before 2015 is over. Available now is simply the titles that we've got this very instant. Additional titles to recommend can be a very useful search. That searches Overdrive's entire catalog of about 500,000 items. If a customer wants to know if we've got an ebook and you search and you don't see it, look there too. It's possible that we can add that. There'll be a link to request a library to purchase that. And we buy almost anything that our customers do ask for if it fits our guidelines at all. For now, I'm going to click Available Now, and then Search. And it's going to find the ebooks that we've got available this very instant. They're arranged with the most popular first, although there's all kinds of ways that you can sort them: author, publication date. In this case, I'm just going to pick any one. Sycamore Row by John Grisham. You can find out more about the title by clicking More. We're going to Borrow. And we get switched over to our bookshelf screen. We see it. We're going to Download. Choose the EPUB format, not the Kindle format. Confirm and download. And it's going to get the title for us. We'll see that we've got a request to go to our bookshelf where it's been added. We'll say yes. There it is. So we touch it, and we're ready to start reading. We'll spend much more time at hands-on looking at how to turn pages and other things like that. For now, we've learned how to get content on this device. Thank you.